Auxiliary heat on a thermostat kicks in when the heat pump alone cannot maintain the set temperature and supplemental heating is needed. A heat pump normally extracts heat from outside air and transfers it indoors, but when outside conditions are too cold or the thermostat senses the indoor temperature is several degrees below the set point, the system will engage auxiliary heat to prevent the home from becoming uncomfortably cold. On many systems, auxiliary heat is configured to activate when the room temperature is 3 degrees colder than the desired set point, because that gap signals the heat pump cannot catch up quickly enough. Auxiliary heat typically energizes electric heating strips, a fossil fuel furnace, or another backup source depending on your system design, and those elements supply additional heat until the shortfall is corrected. To avoid unnecessary use, inspect and seal ductwork, replace or clean filters, and verify proper thermostat placement away from drafts and direct sunlight so the thermostat senses an accurate room temperature. For programmable or smart thermostats, set conservative setback limits so the system does not overwork during recovery periods and enable any heat pump balance or staging features. The thermostat offers to coordinate compressor and supplemental heat operation. If you have a dual fuel setup, confirm the thermostat is programmed with the correct outdoor temperature switch point so the system favors the most efficient source. Common mistakes include assuming auxiliary heat indicates a system failure, which can lead to ignoring routine maintenance. Address this by checking filters, airflow, refrigerant charge, and outdoor unit operation before calling for major repairs. Another issue is short cycling of auxiliary elements, which wastes energy and increases wear. Prevent this by ensuring thermostat anticipator settings or cycle rate limits are configured correctly and by using thermostats with proper staging logic. A third concern is incorrect thermostat placement causing false activation. Resolve this by relocating the thermostat to a central interior wall away from windows, doors, vents, and heat-generating appliances so it measures representative room temperature. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to heating systems and other home projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange experiences, ask questions, and share practical advice.